Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5077181 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab and make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command and paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window and then hit the enter key. And once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, you can hit pause over here. And once pause, click on resume updates over here. And now you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077181, and then click on search over here. Check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version, in my case it's version 25H2. Now open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and over here check your system type. So in my case it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then over here you will see KB5077181. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and then you can install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, log into the computer and then check. Still not working, you can use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Over here on this website, scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on accept. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, you can click on finish and let this close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can restart your computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.